Hi, I'm Lauren from Graco, and today I'm going to show you how to attach the seat pad on your Nautilus 2.0 3-in-1 harness booster. The first thing we're going to do is lay the seat down on a flat surface. Then we're going to slide the backrest into the base until it clicks into place. With your other hand, raise the backrest up to the upright position where you will hear a click. Now let's install the cup holders. Place the tab of the cup holder into the corresponding slot on the base and rotate it up and into position. You will hear a click once the cup holders are secured in place. Next, we can add the seat pad. Begin by laying the soft goods on the base and fit over the cup holders. Make sure your buckle and harness adjustment strap are easily accessible and pulled through the soft goods. Secure the tabs in the front of the base and then tuck the back edge of the seat pad into the back of the base. From the back of the base, you will be able to secure the two elastic loops from the seat pad to the two hooks here. Be sure to fasten the snaps on each side of the back of the armrest. Then press down on the snaps near the waist belt of the harness to secure the seat pad in place. You're all set.